Hi, I'm Dr. Francisco Rosero, creator of Adamantine Healing. In this short video, I'm going to show you what it is and how it works, this powerful and simple healing method. We have 24 years of experience helping people improve their quality of life with our 3 brands. The last one, Adamantine Mind, we started it in 2021. My wife Veronica and I started the system in the year 2000 while we lived in the United States. This system contains a very effective healing method that has helped thousands of people during the last 24 years. Please keep in mind that Adamantine Healing is a complementary medicine technique, and the reason for this distinction is that we have helped and we have trained several medical professionals, especially in Ecuador, where they are allowed to use ancestral medicine, natural medicine, energy medicine, besides their allopathic medicine they use in their professions. Adamantine Healing has a few objectives that it fulfills beautifully. The first one, it will help people enjoy a healthy and positive lifestyle, recover faster from any illnesses, control stress and anxiety levels, use the selective thinking techniques that we have developed to control your mind and therefore manage emotions. How does it work? Well, Adamantine Healing causes the restoration of the resting potential of the cell's membrane through biological electromagnetic fields that we create with our own hands. In a nutshell, it balances the amount of ions of sodium and potassium in the exterior fluid and interior fluid of the cells, therefore restoring health at a cellular level. The restoration of the resting potential of the cell's membrane is achieved through stimulation using biological electromagnetic fields generated by touching with the 3 middle fingers of either hand on specific energy points or centers in your body. The location of these energy centers or points will start from the top of the head all the way to the coccyx. During our course, we study the location, functions, and uses of each one of these energy points. During our course, you will learn to simulate each one of these points for specific healing purposes. For this video, we're going to share with you how to stimulate point number 7. Point number 7, or energy center 7, is located at the top of the head. And you stimulate with the 3 middle fingers with the finger pads. This point controls pain and these systems and organs: the brain, nervous system, skeleton and joints, muscles, lymphatic system, and endocrine system. In other words, all your glands. In only 5 minutes of stimulation, you can alleviate pain or help heal any ailment in any of these organs and systems. Stimulation of points is most effective when achieved in a state of relaxation and tranquility. For that purpose, we have developed several meditation methods, and the first one you'll learn is the Adamantine meditation that helps you relax and be at peace in order to apply the healing technique. Engaging in meditation for us means the deliberate act of fostering a state of well-being voluntarily. The Adamantine meditation alters brain chemistry by inducing the production of neurohormones like dopamine, serotonin, and melatonin. These are known as the neurohormones of well-being and peace. During this Adamantine meditation, we also have proven, demonstrated that the electric impulses in the brain go down from 14 to 21 cycles per second to 7 to 14 electric impulses per second. That is called the alpha state, where your brain achieves its full potential. During the first class of the 3 classes of this program, we will activate your energy centers. This process will need to be performed by a trained instructor, and the activation will produce a balanced and harmonious state, promoting profound benefits for your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. And after that, you will be able to heal yourself and heal other people. Upon completion of the program, or the 3 classes, you will receive your diploma. All our programs are accredited by the International Association of Therapists. For a limited time, I'm offering a special price for those of you who would like to learn this powerful and simple healing method, either to heal yourself or to help others heal. The normal price is $250 for the course, and for a limited time, I'm offering it for only $150. Please contact me if you are interested in learning Adamantine Healing, a powerful and simple method for healthier living and aiding others in their healing journey. Seize the opportunity to enroll at a discounted price. I will provide you with the information on the upcoming class dates. Hope to see you soon.